Hello, my name is Trent Harris. I'm the clinical specialist here at Master Medical Equipment in Jackson, Tennessee. Today we're going to be talking about the Dilon CoPilot Video Laryngoscope. This is the unit, as you will see here. Just do a quick spin. There's a kickstand. Also, additional mounting options are available that would mount here. This unit has a 4.3-inch screen. It is a crystal clear picture, as you will see. One thing different about this unit, it does not have an on-off switch. When the blade is engaged, it turns the power on to the unit. Another thing unique about the Dilon is the green, you see the green light down here, that is a battery indicator. When you have a green light, there's 3 hours of battery left. The light will turn yellow when there are 30 minutes left, and when the light turns red, have 5 minutes of battery life remaining on the unit. It takes about a half hour to fully charge the unit from a depleted battery. This is a corded unit. This is a 5-foot cord. It goes from the monitor to the handle. One other thing to note, this is an eject button for the disposable sheaths that we will talk about now. Currently there are 2 sizes available from Dilon. They are a size 3 and a size 4 adult blade. We should have pediatric sizes available shortly, and it will range from a 1 pediatric up to a 5 adult. They are hyperangulated blades, and they just click on the unit. Another thing that is really cool about this unit, do have Bougies as well, and this is a patented Bougie port right in the side of the disposable sheath. These come 10 to a pack, as well as a rigid stylet that can be used with any other unit. And we sell these in a 10 pack as well. For this demonstration, we'll be using the rigid stylet. So now we'll demonstrate just the use of the Bougie port. So I've got my Bougie preloaded into the side of the blade. I'm going to just click it out of the side and withdraw.